Have you ever sat down with your bank statement or checked your expenses and felt like your paycheck seems to cover less and less of your needs? If so, you're definitely not imagining things, and you're certainly not alone in this. Many people are facing the same situation, and it often boils down to the persistent, sneaky culprit we call inflation. This sensation you're dealing with is inflation in action. It's essentially the slow, steady rise in the cost of goods and services we buy and use regularly. Picture it like a tide that gradually rises, influencing the economy in subtle yet impactful ways, touching nearly everything you need or want. As these everyday prices climb, each dollar you possess loses a slice of its buying power. Imagine heading to the grocery store expecting to fill your cart, only to find that your usual budget doesn't stretch as far as it did before. It's like getting less for the same amount of money. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of inflation. We'll explore why it happens, how it affects your wallet, and we'll even share some practical tips on how you can protect yourself from its effects, helping you understand and manage it better. Inflation often kicks into gear when there's more money chasing after fewer goods. Imagine a crowded auction with everyone eager to buy one of the scant items available, which naturally pushes the prices upward as bidders offer more money to secure what they want. Think of it like the rush at a store opening, where everyone is trying to grab one of a few discounted TVs. The high demand paired with limited supply can lead to prices naturally climbing as people compete to get those sought-after items. To respond to this rising demand, producers might decide to increase their prices. This is their way of maintaining balance when everyone seems to want a piece of the same limited pie, ensuring they can meet demand without running out of stock too quickly. But sometimes it's not just booming demand that's driving prices up. If the costs of producing items rise, be it due to more expensive raw materials or higher wages, companies might raise their prices, passing those additional expenses onto you, the consumer. The amount of money circulating within the economy also plays a significant role in inflation. You can think of it as the heartbeat of the economy, showing how much cash is available for people to spend, which directly affects how prices move. When central banks decide to print more money, it can lead to inflation. It's similar to adding more players into a game of musical chairs. This change can alter the dynamics and balance, leading to higher prices as more money chases the same number of goods. Consider it like pouring water into a cup until it overflows. Adding too much money into the system can lead to an overflow, where prices rise because the currency's value starts to drop, making everything cost more in general. So, when there's an influx of money in the economy, it can create a situation where prices rise across the board. It's much like a tide that swells and lifts all boats in a harbor, affecting everything from groceries to gadgets. While this might seem a bit overwhelming, it's useful to remember that inflation is a natural part of economic cycles. It's much like how we naturally transition through the seasons, from the warmth of summer to the chill of winter, each bringing its own changes. Now let's explore how this concept of inflation actually impacts your life, influencing your daily choices and the way you handle your money. It's time to connect the dots between these economic shifts and your personal finances. Have you noticed how, even though you're spending the same amount, your grocery cart seems to hold less? That's inflation at work, quietly making your everyday shopping experience a little more expensive each time you visit the store. Common items like bread, milk, and eggs might seem to cost a bit more every time you shop. This is inflation's persistent presence at play, altering the landscape of our daily needs without making much noise about it. Inflation is like a silent pickpocket, gradually diminishing the purchasing power of your money without you even noticing it at first. Then, one day, the pinch becomes more apparent when things cost more than you remembered. Even that beloved morning coffee might cost more this year than last, which is a testament to how inflation impacts even the small, daily joys and routines we cherish. It's a reminder of how deeply it's interwoven in our day-to-day life. Over time, these incremental price increases add up, slowly reducing the value of your savings and affecting your overall financial health. It's a gradual process, but one that can have a significant impact over time. But don't let this worry you too much. Now that you're aware of inflation, you're already on the right track to better managing its effects on your finances, and can take steps to protect your money's value more effectively. A smart approach to tackling inflation is through investing in options that can potentially grow over time. Ideally, you want these investments to outpace inflation, helping to maintain or even increase the purchasing power of your money. Investments often offer the chance to grow faster than inflation, assisting not only in preserving but potentially enhancing the value of your hard-earned money. This way, your savings can keep pace with rising prices. Consider real estate as an example. Owning property can sometimes shield you from inflation's effects, as property values tend to appreciate over time, often keeping pace with or exceeding general price rises. You might also explore bonds designed to adjust for inflation, providing a safety net for your investments. These bonds can offer a stable return, adapting to changing economic conditions to protect your wealth. Investing in the stock market can be an exciting venture. With wise and strategic choices, stocks can offer growth opportunities that might outpace inflation, contributing positively to your investment portfolio. Think of investing like planting seeds in a garden. With careful planning, attention, and patience, you can cultivate a financial harvest that supports your future needs, offering growth and stability over time. A smart strategy is to diversify your investment portfolio. This means spreading your financial risk across different types of assets. It helps guard against market fluctuations and protects your investments from unexpected downturns. It's much like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you're better equipped to handle any economic storms that may come your way, safeguarding your financial health against uncertainties. It's also prudent to maintain an emergency fund. This is a stash of savings you can rely on when unexpected expenses occur. It acts as a buffer against life's unpredictable surprises, offering peace of mind. Even small, regular contributions to your savings can grow over time into a reassuring cushion. This provides you not only with peace of mind, but also with financial stability when you need it most. Now that you have a good understanding of inflation, you're in a better position to tackle its challenges head-on. This knowledge empowers you to make more informed and smarter financial decisions in the future. Understanding how inflation influences your daily life and long-term financial plans is crucial. It equips you with the insight needed to make wise, informed choices about your money, safeguarding your economic well-being. By applying these strategies, you can help fortify your finances and investments against the subtle erosion that inflation can cause over time. It's about building resilience and protecting what you've worked hard to save. Remember, inflation isn't just a concept filled with intimidating numbers and graphs. It's a very real factor impacting how you live and manage your finances. Recognizing this is the first step towards better financial management. Being informed about inflation empowers you to take control of your financial future. This knowledge makes you more resilient against economic shifts and challenges, allowing you to navigate them with confidence. So, stay informed and adjust your financial strategies to outpace inflation. This ensures that you can safeguard your economic well-being, not just in the present, but for the long haul, securing the future you envision. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of inflation. Here's to making smart, informed financial choices that protect your present and benefit your future, empowering you to achieve the financial security you deserve. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into finance and effective money management strategies.